I'm going to show you the top fixes for Roblox error code 600. Now, first off, I want you to understand why you got the Roblox error code 600. It's you getting banned from an experience or from a game, right? So if you got rightfully banned, if you did something wrong, I suggest you don't try to get around this because if you get found out, you'll probably get banned again. But if you think you were incorrectly banned, there are a couple of steps you can take to get you unbanned. First off, you can try contacting the developers here. Sometimes when you play a game, the developers will put their contact on the game description, or you can just search up the developer on Twitter or in Instagram, any social media. You can usually contact them and talk about why you got banned. The second one, in Roblox, there's a couple of bans, right? There's IP bans, and then there's device bans, and then there's also account bans. So in IP bans, you can get around this by switching your network here, right? So if you were playing with Wi-Fi, you can try turning off your Wi-Fi and then using mobile data. Or if you're using mobile data, you can try turning on your cellular data and then leaving the Wi-Fi on. If that doesn't work, you can try going to the App Store and you can try installing something called Proton VPN. This basically changes your network, but don't worry, this is completely legal and it's completely ethical as well, so you don't have to be afraid of using it. If you got an account ban, then your account will probably get banned, so you can try making a new account, but if you have Robux or you have accessories on your old account, then that won't be carried over. If it's a device ban, then there's not much you can do. You can try uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox if you'd like, but some users have reported that it's successful, but some users have also reported that it doesn't work as well. The final step is that you can also just wait it out, since sometimes Roblox error code 600 is temporary, and if you wait it out, it could solve itself in a couple of days.